What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing some gold and silver coins that I got from HeroBullion.com. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so this package right here is from Hero Bullion, and we're going to do an unboxing, see what I got. I'll talk about the different coins that I picked up and why I did. So let's go ahead. We're just using the razor today. Nothing super special. And by the way, after I ordered these, they got shipped out insanely fast. Hero Bullion, definitely one of the fastest shipping of all of the online bullion dealers. So check them out if you haven't yet. Very reasonable prices. Looks like, yeah, they got them all nicely packaged up. Oh, check this out. So we got a lot of capsules from them. That is super cool. Let's see the coins. That's what we're really here for. Okay. Alright, we'll just take the paper out of here, and looks like that's it. Okay, perfect. So here are all of the coins that I picked up. This is sort of the highlight of the pickup here, the 1 ounce gold Britannia. It's my first time picking up one of these. Here it is in the capsule, a little bit easier to handle. Wow. I'll show you the other side here if you haven't seen it before on the Britannias. 100-pound denomination. There you go. All right, so that was definitely the biggest pickup, and this is actually a special one too because it now puts me at over 10 ounces of gold in my personal gold stack. That's a pretty cool landmark. So I'm gonna be picking up more gold and seeing how many ounces we can add this year, trying to get as much as I can. Let's go ahead and show off some of the silver stuff we got. This is the 2 ounce platypus from the Next Generation series, and I'm gonna throw this in the capsule. In fact, let me throw them all in the capsules real quick. You know, one of the best parts of putting the coins in the capsules is the sound, so let's see if we can do this one here. That's a great sound. Alright, so now that everything's all capsuled up, let's continue. Again, this is the platypus. Now it has a mother and a baby on it. That's why they call it Next Generation series. And the reason I wanted to get this was because the Perth Mint does have other coins that are platypus. However, they're all made out of platinum. The platinum platypus. So I thought it was pretty cool that they did a silver platypus. And it is a pretty unique animal. And just overall a pretty cool coin. So went ahead and snagged one of those. Now, if you don't know, these here are from the Zombucks series, which came out a while back now. There was 10 silver and 10 copper rounds to come out. So I'll just show you the 4 that I got from Hero Bullion. I think these are cool and try and snag them whenever I can. The Morgan, right? So it's kind of like a Morgan, but the Morgan. Not, you know, for everyone. These are definitely collectible and fun. You know, Zombucks, Currency of the Apocalypse, 1 ounce silver. They all have the same. I guess this is the reverse, but they all have the same reverse. The other ones that I snagged, the Walker, kind of like the, you know, Walking Liberty $50, but it's a zombie walker. That's a cool one. This one, instead of the Standing Liberty, it's the Starving Liberty. Pretty cool design there. I think they did a really good job with these rounds. And then the Zombuff. Kind of like a buffalo, but it's zombified. Why not? So anyway, that was all the pickups. Now, the reason that I bought all of these was for stacking and collecting, right? I do both. These rounds here have a little bit higher premium, so those are more for collecting, just enjoying. And you know, when you're already doing an order from a bullion dealer, you're already getting that free shipping. Usually it's over like $100 or $200 or whatever. Sometimes it's nice to add on a few other fun things. You know, I was already getting the Britannia, so why not throw in some silver? I wanted to pick one of those up for a while just to collect, so that's why I got it. But this here is sort of the main thing I was snagging for stacking. I wanted to expand my gold stack. That's what I've been focusing on very heavily this year. So I just love the design on these Britannias. Probably my favorite part is actually Britannia herself, but then the sort of like waves behind her, I just think that is absolutely stunning. So that's going to be a really nice addition to the stack. And yeah, we're going to keep on trying to grow it. Now, I just wanted to mention a few things about Hero Bullion. If you've never heard of them before, or if you've never bought from them, they're one of the sort of newer online bullion dealers, but they do a really great job, not just with the shipping and the product selection and all of that, but also their customer service is fantastic. I've known the owner, Jake, for several years now, and he's been in the industry for quite a long time, so he knows what he's doing, and he definitely wants to put the customer first, make sure you have a good experience, so he'll answer your questions and whatnot if you want to contact them. They have some more people they've hired now to help with shipping, and they're going to sort of beef up their buyback program, which I think is really cool as well. But they are based out of Texas here in the USA. And I would say if you are buying gold and silver online, then you should be shopping around. So don't just buy all your stuff from one bullion dealer. I mean, I've purchased from pretty much all of them. You know, APMEX is the biggest. Then you got JM Bullion and Provident. They're owned by the same person, which is A-Mark now. And then you've got, you know, SD Bullion and Monument, Bold. There's so many bullion exchanges. I mean, I've bought from probably 15 or 20 different online bullion dealers. But you really need to make sure you're getting the best price for your silver. So that's why I do recommend shopping around. Don't just buy it all from one bullion dealer. And Hero is trusted. So they do a really good job making sure all of their silver and gold is authentic. You're never going to buy anything, you know, that's fake, and you're going to have a good experience. So definitely try them out. But again, when you're shopping for stuff, try and get the best price possible. So sometimes you can get a better price when you're buying locally, but I know not everyone has a local coin shop that they can run down to, or maybe you don't have the time, or you just want to buy it online and get it shipped to you. So definitely check them out. They do get the Silver Dragons stamp of approval. I think I've bought from them 3 times now, and I've never had a bad experience. Also, what do you think about these gold Britannias? Are you buying any of them? I think they're smoking. Definitely one of the top 5 gold bullion coins for 2021. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your support, all of your views. I just want to do a fun unboxing video this time, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.